Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. As the topmost planet within this universe is called Brahmaloka, similarly in the spiritual sky there is the topmost planet which is called Goloka Vrindavan. That is Krishna's place. Krishna is there, but he can expand himself by his different types of energies and by his different types of incarnation. It does not mean that when Krishna was present on this planet, Krishna was absent in Golok Vrindavan. No, it is not like that. Just like I am now present here, I am absent in my apartment. Krishna is not like that. Krishna can be present everywhere, at the same time he can remain in his own abode. That is described in the Brahma Samhita. Goloka eva nivasati akhilatma bhuta. Although he is in his abode, which is known as Goloka Vrindavan, he can expand himself everywhere, and actually he has done it. So we must know how he is expanded, in which way he is in contact with us. That is the science. In Bhagavad-gita these things are explained. So Krishna is addressed as Param Dham, the resting place of everything. Everything is resting. Krishna also says, Masthani Sarvabhutani. Everything, material manifestation, is resting on him. Nahang teshu avasthita, but I am not there. These contradictory things. Everything is resting on him, but I am not there. But it is not contradictory. It is very simple to understand, just like all the planets, they are resting on sun sign, but the sun is far away from the planets, some millions of miles away. But resting on the sun sign means resting on the sun. That's a fact. Therefore Krishna says, Masthani sarvabhutani nahang teshu avasthita parabrahma param dhama pavitram. Pavitra means uncontaminated. When we come to this material world, we are also spirit soul, Brahma, not exactly as good as Parabrahma, Krishna, but still, because we are part and parcel of Krishna, we are also Brahma, Pavitra. Pavitra means pure. Just like the particle of gold is also gold. If gold is pure, the particle is also pure. So, Krishna comes to this world, we also come to this world, but we are contaminated, but Krishna is not contaminated. The example is, just like in the prison house, there are many prisoners, but if the king or some king's representative minister goes into the prison to inspect things, how things are going on, it does not mean that the king or his minister is also a prisoner. He is not prisoner. But we, living entities, we have been entangled with these material modes of nature. But Krishna never becomes involved in these modes of material nature. That's what is called Pavitram Paramam. Absolute, pure. Bhavan. Bhavan means you, your Lordship. And Purusham. Purusham, he is addressed as a person. God is never impersonal. God is person. Exactly a person like you and me. And when he appeared on this planet, exactly like a human being, 2 hands, 2 legs, walking like human being, talking, behaving like human being, everything. So, God is Purusha. Purusha means man. I mean to say male, not female. Male. Without becoming male, one cannot be enjoyer. In another place, it is stated that Krishna is the supreme enjoyer. As soon as the word is used, enjoyer, he must be Purusha, male. So that is described. Arjuna understood him. He is a Purusha, Param Purusha, the supreme person. In another place, Krishna is described as Purushottam, the best of the males. So, Purusham Shasatam. Shasatam means eternal. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,